Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this drywall tool set from Parkside. It is 9-piece set with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the crimping pliers for connecting C and U-shaped metal profiles. Ergonomic handles with hanger loop here, very soft. And of course I will show you how you can use this tool. Next we have the tin snips for cutting sheets metal up to 1.2 mm thick and stainless steel up to 0.8 mm thick. Lock and unlock the tool. Soft grip with a loop and here. Very comfortable. And included we have one magnetic bit holder and 6 bits. Press and it locks. You can remove the bit, pull and then remove. Nice, I like it. So let's find out the right materials and use these tools. There's the metal sheet. I will use the tin snips. We have a measurement at the cutting blades from 0 to 45 mm. Let's cut this area. Okay, nice. Whether you are cutting sheet metal, wire mesh or other materials, these snips are a great addition to your toolbox for clean and precise cuts. The sharp serrated blades ensure clean and accurate cuts through a variety of materials like metal sheets, making it perfect for both DIYers and professionals. The comfortable handle provides great control and reduced hand fatigue, especially during longer projects. It makes tough cuts feel much easier to handle. And now I will use the crimping plier. It has that locking lever. I know that is not the right material to join together, but let's try. These are great tools for anyone working with drywall framing or metal stands, offering a fast and efficient way to secure frames without screws or fasteners. These crimping pliers makes it super easy to join metal stands and tracks without the need of screws or additional hardware. Simply squeeze the handles and the tool crimps the metal securely, speeding up your workflow. Built from high quality materials, the pliers provide durable and strong crimp that holds up over time, ensuring your drywall frames remain sturdy and secure. If you are working on a drywall project and need reliable, versatile tools to get the job done, this set really stands out as a great option for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. I hope this review gave you a clearer idea to how these crimping pliers and thin snips can make your drywall projects easier. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.